Okay, let's talk about meta tags in WordPress and why you should be using them. There are a number of different types of meta tags, but effectively the most important ones are meta description, and to a lesser extent meta keywords. And they work as follows, but before I talk about them in great depth, it's worth pointing out they're not a magical solution. If you have great meta tags, it's not going to guarantee your site gets ranked highly in the search engines. To do that, you need to have lots of great, valid backlinks. So meta tags are effectively information which is inserted into the head area of your website, and they talk about the site. They're not seen by the visitors, but they are seen by the search engines. So we go to Google, we've done a search for meta tags, and this is what comes up. Now effectively this bit here is the description on your meta tag. If you don't use a meta tag description, Google will probably pick something up itself, but this gives you a chance to really sell the Google visitors as to why they should be going to look at your website rather than somebody else's. So that's the importance of the Google, also of the description, keywords description meta tag. If you're using the thesis theme, it's very easy to insert your meta tag or meta description and meta keywords into your blog. The most important of those is obviously the meta description, as we just saw on Google. So within thesis, if you're using thesis, this part of the post admin is where you can add your description. So this is adding meta tags to WordPress. So the description of this page is a brief video tutorial as to how you can add meta tags to your WordPress blog. And if you want to put some keywords in, Google say that they don't look at them at all from a search engine optimization point of view. I believe Yahoo and Ask still do, but they're not that important. But anyway, for the sake of argument, we've got the space to put them in, we might as well use them. And so we'll use meta tags, meta keywords, how to use them in WordPress, how to put them at home, video guide, say. So there's three basic meta keywords. So that's how you do it in thesis. Now if for some reason you don't have thesis, and I recommend you do because it's a very, very good theme, and if you buy it from me, I'll give you a discount or a rebate, or I will give you some consultancy on how best to use it. But that's by the by. If you don't have thesis, you need to add a plugin. Now plugins in WordPress, if you don't know how to use them, they're very straightforward. We want to add in a plugin called All-in-One SEO, which is regarded as being one of the best plugins for descriptions. And to do that, you literally go to your plugin section down here, you click Add New, you type in All-in-One SEO, you search the plugins, and there you have it. And you click Install on the right hand side, and it will install the plugin for you. Once it's installed, you need to activate it. Anyway, so I've already installed All-in-One SEO pack, so for the purpose of this demonstration, we now go back to the post, add new post, which is here. If we scroll down the page, we'll see at the bottom All-in-One SEO pack. Now, some people don't know this, but you can actually move around where the bits are inside your WordPress. If you want this at the top of your page, then you can easily do that. But again, it's exactly the same as the thesis one. You would insert your title if you want to change the existing one. You know, add a description, whatever your description wants to be, brief video guide showing you how to insert meta tags into your WordPress blog. And then if you want to have keywords, meta tags, meta descriptions, how to use them, etc. So it's as simple as that. What's nice about All-in-One SEO pack, which thesis doesn't do, is it shows you how many characters you've used and lets you know that most search engines use a maximum 160 characters in the description. If you don't If you use more than that, it'll just show ... at the end of your description. So it's worthwhile making sure you try and keep within 160 characters. So I hope that helps. That's meta tags and meta descriptions in your WordPress blog. Thank you very much indeed.